it's me, Sammy Jo, and today I'm here with my brother Ray, and we are in our garage right now. Look, it went blurry. Don't go blurry. Hello. Okay. Anyways, he has asked me to pierce his ears, so that's what we're going to do today. I do not know how to do this. I've only done it on myself a couple times. I am in no way a professional. Do not do this at home, or do, but don't say it was my fault that you did it. So cool. Here we go. First of all, got my piercing kit off of Amazon. I don't know, you want it, go get it. That's a good option. It comes with alcohol prep, needles, clamps, and gloves. We've got our whole little setup here, and he's got the jewelry that we're going to use. So, here we go. I didn't think about my own hand.
You probably should have taken off your jewelry.
No, my piercing. Okay. Alcohol prep. I don't even know if this is wet or not. Yeah, because it's old. We open the other one.
Good enough, right?
Yeah. And I've already marked the spots on his ears. It's not exactly where we're going to put them, but along the lines. Ready, Ray?
No. Don't stab yourself. Ooh, that looks scary.
Ray's not a fan of needles, so I don't know what he was thinking here today. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use these clamps just because I don't want to poke my own finger on the other side. Okay. Ready? The earlobes are big.
Oh, is that the needle?
That's the needle.
Wait, what if it hurts? Can I just say stop?
No.
Why?
Because. You ready?
No.
Ray.
No.
You gotta.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna be fine. So
Wait.
What?
It hurts.
I haven't even done anything. You wanted it. Are you backing out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait. Mm. Go slow. Go slow. Please go slow.
Okay, breathe in.
No, wait, go slow.
Breathe in. You can't hold your breath, Ray. Okay, ready?
No.
Can you feel it at all?
No.
Good. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Ow. Pain.
Does it hurt?
Little.
A little bit? Not a whole lot though, right?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Cool thing about this needle is I can stick the jewelry in one swift movement.
That one hurt. Is it?
It's a piercing, so it just punctured your ear.
So too far away from my head.
ready for the other side?
Mm-mm.
Did it really hurt that bad?
No, not really, but I did a little bit.
Wake up. Look at me. And not that far.
Oh, I think that hurt more than we did before.
Want me to loosen it?
Yes.
Maybe it would have been better if I did it tighter, because then you probably would have felt the piercing a little less. Okay.
Then do
Ready?
it tight then.
Huh?
Then do it tight.
Ready? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
You pulled my ear.
I'm like, I don't like the feeling of it. I can do it to myself, but it feels weird doing it to other people. Cool. All done. Let me see, look up.
Did you mess me up?
No. This side didn't bleed. Oh yeah, it just not as bad as the other. Yeah, that one like is barely bleeding. And the camera went blurry again. Oh. Okay, guys, that was it. It's hot in here. I'm sweating. Ray's new piercings.
This
Cool.
one is? Yeah, that's cool.
So yeah, again, you guys, don't do this at home. If you do, try to be careful, be safe, use the correct stuff, you know, alcohol wipes. Try to keep as sterile as possible so you don't get any infections or anything. I know being in the garage is probably not the most sterile option, but this is where we chose to do it. So if you like the video, thumbs up. If not, I mean, I guess you can thumbs down, but whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
You like them?
You gotta get a wig and look like a girl.
Mm-hmm.
I was worried about her getting them straight.
Did she get it straight?
They're red.
Did she get it straight?